Hi guys. Yeah, just FX Pro here again. Welcome to my YouTube channel. And I also shared videos to my TikTok as well and my Instagram. So wherever you find this video, you're welcome. So I'm about to do a retest video, a trade updates video. It's not a trade, it's an analysis update video. So it was some couple of pairs that we one of the pairs that we analyzed during the week to enter trade on for weekend. I think I analyzed it Friday, yesterday, and before that. Yeah, so this is kind of like giving an update on what is currently happening on the chart for that day, right? So yeah, let's do this. Let's dive into it. Okay, this is the pair crash 300. Initially, we saw this pair as getting to this zone and respecting this other block here to move out of it. But it's looking like it's forming another shoulder. See, this is another shoulder of the chart, like a shoulder, head, shoulder pattern to run all the way down here. It's going to be a long trade and a very profitable one for that matter. But then we have to break it down. So on a daily, it actually trended to this place. If you follow our rules, it's do I need to post it? Okay. If you follow my previous videos, you would see the rules. So whenever the price trends back to the area of interest, you have to wait for a break of structure before you can look for entry, right? So at this point, we saw a change of character rather. So at this point, we saw a change of character. Market has changed character to the downside. So on a daily time frame, it's now bearish. We had our trading range between here and here. So if you break it down to a 4 hours candle or 4 hours chart, this was where we had the break of structure. You could also move it to this point if you wish on a 4 hours, but I like to keep what I marked out on a daily on a daily, right? So on the 4 hours now, we had markets form all of this. It has broken structure, yeah, but we had market form all of this. And this became like liquidity, trend line liquidity for market to go back and grab all this liquidity and come into this 4 hours order block zone, tap it in and start moving. But at the point now, 4 hours also trended to that direction. If you see, it gave a high here, gave a low, broke that high, gave a low again, broke the next high, which is this, right? Coming up to this point. So, but at this point now, we are either expecting market on this 4 hours time frame to break this structure, this low here. It's either it breaks this low here, kind of doing something like this, break the low, then come back to give us an entry or maybe this other block, for example, on a lower time frame like 1 hour, then starts the journey, start writing it down, right? Or it does differently. It could set up a low here, go up. It could set up a low here like this. It could set up a low here, go back up and take out this low now, right? Taking out that low will mean it will now start looking for, we have to start looking for an area of interest after the break of structure or change of character here, right? Anywhere around here on maybe 1 hour time frame, we'll look for an entry there and to write it down to wherever the chart is going to get to after there, right? So far this is the update, and we're hoping to see market do any of those moves. But if it doesn't do any of the move, no entry for now, because this could also mean that market is trying to instigate traders to sell the market as at now. It may still do something like this, create this as a low because we are in a trending market upward. It could still create this as a low, break this previous high here and enter fully into the daily range, right? Or maybe come in and tap at the middle of this um 4 hours right zone, 4 hours order block, then takes out from there. So we don't know, we're not sure of what the market could do now, but it's always good to wait for confirmations before we enter the market. All right, so this week there's something different I want to do. Okay, I'll talk about it in the next video, but please stay tuned to my next video. I think if you don't trade synthetic pairs, you would want to hear my next video. Okay, so see you guys in the next video. And once again, this is Josh FX Pro. Please do well to subscribe, turn on your bell notification so to let you know when I come into when I make new videos and I post so you could stay updated and follow up. All right. So, and again, drop a like if you have questions. Type me in the comment section or DM me on Instagram or my TikTok. I would always check my replies, comments, my comment section, and I would reply you guys. Okay. All right. Josh FX Pro signing out.